A lot of you would simplify 2 by 2, and then you would say 8 divided by 1 gives us 1. And that's unfortunately a very wrong answer, because you fell for a big trap. You can't simplify like this, and you didn't follow the correct order of operations. But what is the correct order of operations? There is something called PEMDAS, and it is an internationally accepted convention that everybody must follow. Otherwise, you would end up with a wrong answer. So let's talk about PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. And this gives us an arrow of priority from the highest priority, which is the parentheses, to the lowest priority, which are additions and subtractions. So PEMDAS means that you must go for parentheses at first, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, because they have the same priority. And again, addition and subtraction from left to right. That being said, let's revisit our original problem. So we have a division and a multiplication, okay? So whenever we have addition or multiplication, or division and multiplication, they have the same priority. Just go from left to right. You can't multiply the last two parts and then, because you didn't follow the correct order. We must divide 8 by 1/2 at first. So how should we do this? Whenever you have a number and you want to divide it by a fraction, you can turn this division sign into the multiplication and swap the upper part and the lower part of the fraction. In other words, turn it into the reciprocal of the fraction. So 8 divided by 1/2, or 1/2, it is the same thing as 8. So change the sign into multiplication and swap the upper part and the lower part of the fraction. So 1/2, no, 2/1, or just 2. So 8 times 2 gives us 16. So 8 divided by 1/2 gives us 16. And then 16 times 2, the last part, gives us 32. And that's the only correct answer. So for your homework, what would the answer be if we had this last part inside the parentheses and squared? So please like the video and drop your answers in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel Prime Logic to support and motivate me.